I've got a challenge for you. Imagine a water slide where the path changes every time someone goes down. 3 beavers have already gone down this water slide. Each one changed the slide in a different way. Now, it's Beaver's Dan's turn. But where will he end up? Hello, I'm Mariah, and today we're going to solve this Bebras challenge called the Exciting Water Slide. And trust me, this is no ordinary water slide. At the top of the slide system, there are special forks that control which direction a beaver goes. But here's the twist. Every time a beaver goes through a fork, the direction flips. So if the fork points left, the beaver goes left. And then the fork switches to the right for the next beaver. If it points right, the beaver goes right. And then it switches to the left. And so on. Quite fun, right? I told you this was no ordinary water slide. I kind of wish they had a slide like this at the water park I used to go to when I was younger. Today, little beaver Dan wants to try the slide. But his mom wants to stand at the right exit slide so she can take the perfect photo. You know how moms are. There are 4 exits. Slide A, Slide B, Slide C, and Slide D. Before Dan goes, his mom watches 3 other beavers come down. The first beaver exits from Slide B. The second beaver exits from Slide C. We don't know yet which slide the third beaver will exit, but Dan will be the 4th beaver to go down. So here's the question for you. Which slide will Dan come out of? Will it be Slide A, Slide B, Slide C, or Slide D? When I was younger, I was the kind of kid who loved puzzles and logic games. This type of challenge reminds me exactly of those games. I used to sit with a piece of paper and try to trace every path possible until I figured it out. Go try it out yourselves and then come back for part 2 of the video to see if you managed to solve it.